94.1, still on FM 93.1, News Radio WFLA Orlando, and still on AM 540. And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olson. This is Olson on Law.
Alan Spector here, and every Thursday at this time, we bring you Olson on Law with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Tom, good morning.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Tom, I don't know if you've noticed or not, but there are a lot of people moving to Florida. Yeah, this is breaking news here. And the question is, do they need to take care of some legal things like maybe redoing their wills?
Alan, just like your neighborhood, I've got a lot of new neighbors that are coming here from another state. And often they're asking me, Tom, do I need to redo my will? And the answer is this. Florida law says that if your will was valid when you did it in another state, then it's going to be valid here in the state of Florida, even if it does not meet our requirements. But keep in mind that while I'm doing a will for people, I do some other related documents.
So when you're having a will done by you, Tom Olson, or another attorney, what are other documents that might go along with it?
So I do a living will, also known as a pull the plug document. I do a health care surrogate, and I do a financial power of attorney. Those three documents are specifically related to Florida law and must meet all the qualifications provided within the Florida statutes. So those are specific to Florida law. And even though you may not need to redo your out-of-state will, you would need to redo those three documents.
Tom, I hear you telling people on your show Heard Saturdays here on News Radio WFLA that they need to take steps to avoid probate. And would that be part of what you do for new residents?
That's right, Alan. At the Olson Law Group, we're all about helping people to avoid probate. Simply having a will does not avoid probate. So that's a good reason for people to come see me. We can help them take the simple steps available to them to help avoid probate, make things simple, easy, inexpensive for their children when they pass away.
Tom, you know, when you have these folks that show up in your neighborhood or in your office who have just moved to Florida, are you ever tempted to tell them to just go back where they came from? We have enough people here already.
Oh, goodness. Alan, I was reading an article about there's a shortage of air conditioners. So if we keep that up, if there's no air conditioning in Florida, no way they're coming here anymore.
Oh, man. Maybe I'll leave. If you have legal questions, Tom, we'll be happy to answer them on the aforementioned Olson on Law show, heard Saturdays. That's at 1 p.m. on News Radio WFLA. And a reminder, Tom and I do this Thursday morning segment on Zoom, and you can watch the video on our Facebook page. Tom, thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.